Joey Sonny Pedraza was acquitted by a visiting judge who decided the state did not prove its case and therefore made the ruling before it even went to the jury. His attorney, Nat Perez, says it was the correct move and hopes the officer's name will be cleared. He's even appealing for his job back at the PD.
And it's so bad that, it doesn't even need to get to the jury. There's nothing there for the jury to even consider.
Attorney Nat Perez saw his opportunity Wednesday during the trial for former Brownsville police officer Sonny Pedraza, his client, to wrap things up after state prosecutors presented all their evidence and witnesses. Perez filed a motion to acquit Pedraza on charges of official oppression and tampering with government records for the public intoxication arrest of a woman last October. Visiting Judge David Wellington Chu approved the directive verdict, which district attorney officials say is very rare.
There was really one instigator in this case, and that one sergeant who was the instigator, even his report when he testified was incomplete. There were things that he claims he did that he didn't put in his report.
Perez claims the case against Pedraza was all based on a hidden agenda, something Police Chief Orlando Rodriguez adamantly denies.
Ultimately, he was indicted by a grand jury, and it was then in the hands of the district attorney's office for prosecution. You don't know how they're going to turn out, but we have a clear picture of what happened and the basis for what happened.
Chief Rodriguez adds he would have liked for the case to have gone to the jury for a verdict, and despite the acquittal by the judge.
Do we agree with it? No. Do we respect it and accept it? We have no choice, but we do.
He says allegations of wrongdoing by any police officer will be taken seriously.
Regardless of their status, their socioeconomic status, their standing in the community, whomever they are, everybody deserves equal protection under the law.
Perez says Pedraza is a fair and just officer who will be looking to get his position back with the Brownsville Police Department.
He wants his job back, he wants his name back, he wants his reputation back.
There is no set date yet for the hearing where it will be decided if Pedraza gets his job back or not, but Perez says civil lawsuits are likely to follow. Chief Rodriguez tells us he doesn't agree with the acquittal but accepts and respects it. In the studio, Daisy Barrera, Action 4 News.